Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree Danielle. Today I'm coming at you with a Bantu Knot Out tutorial. I'm using the new TGIN Curls and Roses line. I was so lucky that TGIN sent me their entire line and I got to try it out, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. I know I'm always doing a twist out or a braid out, so I wanted to try something a little bit outside of my comfort zone. I've done them, but I have not done a Bantu knot out in years. I could never get them to work out, never get them to look cute, but as you guys can see, this one came out super duper cute, super duper bouncy and luscious, and I just absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I achieved this Bantu knot out using the new products from TGIN, their Curls and Roses line, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off on dirty hair, of course. I'm going into my box that TGIN sent me, and I'm pulling out the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I definitely missed the part that said leave-in conditioner because I definitely rinsed it out. But nonetheless, this is my hair after I rinsed out the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. It still came out super fire, nice and clean. And now I'm using the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. I applied this pretty heavily all over my head. It smells absolutely amazing. All of the products smell amazing, actually. And this is just so incredibly hydrating. Like, y'all, this mask is fire. It's probably my favorite thing out of everything that they sent me. Usually when I'm deep conditioning my hair, I have to detangle it with a Denman brush or a wide tooth comb. This conditioner has so much slip and hydration that I was able to easily finger detangle my hair. And for me, that's a plus because my hair gets really tangled after I get done washing it. So I really did like that. I ended up leaving this on my hair for 35 minutes underneath a shower cap. I don't have like a blow dryer or a dryer to sit underneath, so I just let it sit on my hair, and it left my hair feeling so moisturized. So this is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed that deep conditioner out, after I let it sit for about 35 minutes. Now I'm using the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse, and I'm just sectioning off my hair. I'm starting with the back section, and I'm just using my brush to detangle it a little bit farther. It's pretty detangled, but you know, you just want to make sure you have no knots or kinks as you begin the Bantu knot out style. So I'm using a little bit of that mousse, and I'm just applying it to that entire back section of my hair. It's really nice and lightweight, and it does not weigh your hair down at all. So now I'm going to go in with the Curl Defining Styling Gel, and I'm just putting that right on top of the mousse. The directions say you can use either or, but I wanted to do a little bit of both because I wanted the gel for some extra hold. And I think the combination of the two products together worked really well for me. And then honestly, guys, I'm not really sectioning it off any particular way. I'm just grabbing some hair and making some small Bantu knots. So if you are not familiar with how that process works, you just take a portion of your hair and twirl it around, and then you twirl the hair around itself. Each time you twirl it, you want to tuck it underneath the previous wrap of your hair. It's kind of hard to explain how to do a Bantu knot, but if you watch how I do it, it'll probably make a little bit more sense. So the longer your hair is, the taller your knot will sit. And then I'm going to let you guys just watch me do it again. It's probably a little bit easier to see it as I turn my head this way. You want to make sure that you are not making them too tight, especially if you're going to sleep in them, because this is a very uncomfortable style to sleep in. So just for your own health and wellness, try not to make them super duper tight. You want them to be tight enough to stay, but not to the point where it's going to be hurting you. I know I'm making the ugliest faces in the world, y'all. Please disregard my face. This style is like, it's not difficult, but it is difficult and it's kind of time consuming. So yeah, I was scrunching my face up to, I don't know, I guess to aid me in putting this style together. So this is what this side looks like. And this is my entire head. I think overall I had about 13 knots and I went to sleep overnight. Took this out the next day. So I oiled my hands just using some olive oil and I'm ready to unravel them. So I'm literally just pulling them apart. My hair is pretty much dry. It's about 98% dry. I probably should have let it dry a little bit more. But I was being impatient because I had somewhere to go. And do you see like how bouncy and pretty these knots unraveled to be? Y'all have never had a Bantu knot out successful ever in life. And to see this, it was an overwhelming feeling like, oh my gosh, I really did that. So as cute as these are, of course, I'm not going to leave it like that. We're going to go ahead and pull apart those knots so we can get some volume, make my hair a little bit bigger and make this actually into a style. So I'm just pulling the curls apart where they naturally come apart. You don't want to like force them to come apart because that will disturb the curl pattern and you'll get a little bit of frizz, which I definitely did get some frizz, but I don't mind frizzy hair. To me, it's just a part of the natural hair game. I really could care less about frizz. Like, if the style is cute, then it's just going to be cute. And as you see, it came out to be really cute. So yeah, just pull them apart where it pulls apart itself. And I'm just going to do that all over my hair. So look at that, super duper cute and bouncy and healthy. Like, oh my gosh, I think the mousse and the gel together worked so good to make it like such a lightweight style. And then I just want to fluff it up a little bit so I can have some more volume. So I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and combing it up at the roots to make the style a little bit bigger. You can use a pick to do this as well, but I just couldn't find mine at the time. And y'all, that's the finished look. You can style it how you like it. If you want it a little bit bigger, you can always pick it out some more. But this was good for me. This was really good for me. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. I am in love with this line. Every single one of the products that they sent me was amazing. They smell great. They're just amazing. I love the shampoo. It's super duper duper hydrating, like, and it really does clean your hair, but it does it without leaving it feeling stripped, which is super important for me because the last thing I need is for something to strip my hair. It is sulfate free, so you know it does not strip your hair, but it definitely gets it feeling nice and clean. But this mask, the mask, if anything, I would definitely say go out and get this mask. The mask is amazing. My hair is super duper hydrated. I mean, just so nice and hydrated and easy to detangle and work with. I love it. For this style, I definitely would say this mousse matched with the gel, a match made in heaven. Like, I can't wait to use this for like a twist out or a braid out and see if I get the same results, but I really do think I will. And together the combination was just crazy. You guys, you gotta go out and get this line. Thank you again to TGIN. Yeah, so let me know how you guys like this style in the comments. Let me know if you guys have tried this line out. If you did, let me know how you like it. And yeah, many more tutorials to come from here, you guys. So make sure you leave me some thumbs up if you like this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.